Okay mga ka-GMA Sports Club, ngayon po yung ating first episode ng Dayo Series sa Barangay Lumbreras. Papunta na po kami doon at samahan nyo kami.
Salamat ako sa Team Generals na isa kami sa unang-unang nagbibigyan ng tune-up game para sa preparation namin para sa Interbarangay. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Coach Dennis, sa barangay captain namin, kay Boss BM Paulo na sumusuporta, sa mga coaches na sumusuporta sa tune-up game na to. Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi.
Nagabi po sa inyong lahat. So, ngayon po ay inyong masasaksihan ang first episode ng GMA Sports Club Dayo Series. Ang purpose po ng tune-up game na to is for developmental purposes pa din at camaraderie and sportsmanship ang ating papakita ngayong gabi. Sana ma-enjoy nyo itong game na to. Samahan nyo po kami.
Number 36, 28, Algonza. That's the number 4. Right. Right back from number 30 to number 30. That's number 13. Drive. And one. Number 9, setting up the play. Pass to Emmanuel. Emmanuel for 3. That's the number 13, right? Yeah, good. Rebound by Emmanuel. 2 points. Holding foul. Attack! Team Lumbreras. Galinawan. Attack. Steal by Emmanuel. Emmanuel. Number 7 passes to number 7 Bautista. Number 27 for 3. Pass to number 7 Bautista. Bautista drive. Takes the drive. Lala. Steal by number 7. Number 7 drive. Alley-oop. No good. Setting up the play. Bautista move. Bautista drive. Passes to number 33. Foul on number 0.
Pili mo lang yan dyan. Tapos double na to. Kasi mas magaling mag-dribble to kaysa dito eh. Diba? So double natin yan. Yan, deny na tayo dyan.
Pass it number 8, Bautista. 14. Number 20, pass to number 4. Number 4 for 2. Pass to number 10, Pick. Pass to number 41. No good, Pick. Follow up by Butler. Number 12, 2-4. Pinoy step. Butler, number 20, no good. Offensive rebound for number 36, and good. 2 points for Altamia. Drive, Pinoy. Number 5. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 8, Bautista. 14. Number 5, 2 points. Or number 4, Campo. Offensive rebound for Butler. 2 points. Or Rui Butler. Number 27, right. 2 points for number 27, Hennessy. Pass to Manuel. To Manuel, cross-court to Alto. Passing number 87, from 30 to 27. Pass to number 80 for 3. No good. Here's the man number 12. Torres. For 2. Pass to Manuel. In the number 13, Alto. Right. Torres again. Pass to number 32. Right! And 1! Number 9, pass to number 37. Take! Right!
Patanggapin natin ang bola dyan, huwag natin i-deny. Natin i-deny, patanggapin natin dyan para quick double. Ha? Habol tayo, habol tayo.
Number 9. Seen by Galinawan. Number 18, Dad. Number. Passes to number 9, Manuel. What a shot by Manuel. Number 12, pass it down to number 18. Oh! To number 6. Offensive rebound number 26. Pass to number 4. Attack. Pass to number 33. Pass to number 13. Off the drive. The 6 for 10 personal foul. Number 4. Rodrigo, pass to Marina.
Nandyan kanina, pre. Nandyan kanina si Oyo.
Tumanala. For 3. No good. Offensive rebound number 13. Number 27, Gato steal. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 6. Number 6. Guantana. 2 good. Offensive rebound by number 0. To 6. Number 6. Pass to number 27. To number 27. No good. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Attack the basket. 3. Right to Manuel. Pass to number 27. Bautista. For 2. No good. Rebound by number 13. Austin Butler to number 6. To number 28. Fabricio. To number 3. Fabricio. Pass to number 36. Fabricio. Number 27. Pass to number 27. Back to number 27. Hennessy Donkey. Number 6. Pass to number 3. Attack for 3. Now the ball. The Butler. Butler drive. Foul. Dengan betul. Giving the ball. Pass to Torres. Torres will pass to Balearon. For blue. There's no driven by Pacura. Drive. Passes. To you. To Torres. To Torres. Passes to Butler for blue.
Pinasalta, taas sa 3. Wala, nakay Bautista. Tupo, kay Bautista. Bautista. 15-72. Pasu, Aguero. 3. Bautista. Bautista. Basquetian. Pinasay, Tengal, Tegiles, Superjay, Basu, Rodrigo, Pinasa, Pinasay, Pinasay, Basu Bautista, Basquetamos, Tamon, Limitan, Basquetian, Rodrigo, wala, Aragosa, Tupo, Aragosa, Pinasay, Balas, Esa, 3. Aragosa. De Aragosa. Wala, dengan Wales, basket, Edward. Wala, Lawali, Ato, pasti dengan Wales, basketnya. Torres. Biasa, pasti dengan Wales, pasti Pagunsa, Tupo, pasti Alto, Alto, Nawali, Torres, Tupo. Kedia Korea, Tupo. Ventura. Vanessa. 3. Pasu Vanessa, pasu Vanessa. 3. Ahora, sendo para Power in final quarter.
Salamat po sa Barangay Lumbrera sa isang successful na tune-up game. Kay Coach Edu Kiambao, kay Cap Arnaldo Mendoza. Subaybayan niyo pa kami sa aming mga susunod na Dayo Series. Salamat sa lahat na sumuporta sa GMA Sports Club. Kita-kita tayo next week.